Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be taking a look at the official Samsung book cover for the Galaxy Tab S5e. A practical and stylish option, this offers front and back protection for your Galaxy Tab without taking anything away from the sleek nature. With two viewing modes, you can position the tab at the perfect angle for whether you're working on a sketch, typing out a report or watching a movie. The magnetic back keeps your tab in place, while the magnetic front snaps to the tablet when it's closed, keeping everything secure. I like how slimline this cover is, and while it may not look like much, it certainly keeps your tab in mint condition. The impact-resistant polycarbonate shell can handle any bumps and knocks, making sure it's protected at all times. The official nature of the book cover offers a premium and stylish look, so whether you're heading into work or off on your travels, this cover would make a fantastic option. All of the tab's features have easy access with this cover, meaning you can access the volume controls and even take pictures without removing the cover. Overall, this is a nice addition to the Tab S5e. The practicality makes it perfect for all scenarios, while the comprehensive protection gives peace of mind that it's protected at all times. That's all we have for our look into the official book cover for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. Let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase this cover, I'll be leaving links in the description and comments of this video.